budgets. No one likes to talk about them, but everybody needs a budget, right? I have a mantra in my life that goes, money is forever circulating freely in my life, and I continually have a divine surplus. And I believe that I have a divine surplus, and so should you. Now, realistically though, in a business setting, we have to have budgets. You know, we need to budget things out. When I started in practice, over 10 years ago, I realized that I wanted the new car. I wanted the best house on the block. I wanted the beautiful practice, all the glitz and glamour and all that beautiful things that we think people need. The truth is that they don't necessarily need to see that glitz and glamour. They really want you, right? So live within a budget, live your soul purpose, and find that sweet spot where you can have everything you really need, right? But you don't go overboard. So have a budget today so you can, in the future, have the resources to give back to your profession, be everything you want to be, and do what you want to do in chiropractic.